Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. In this episode, I would like to introduce you to my new welder, Eastwood Mag 135. I'm not a sponsored and I bought it with my own money, and I always wanted to own one, so I got one. And so the whole purpose of having a welder is to weld metal. So as far for the R32 Skyline, I'm going to be welding some stainless steel custom exhaust system. So sadly, in this video, I'm not going to weld any stainless for you guys to see, but I am going to weld some 1/8 steel, and just to practice and find my rhythm and to penetrate to the metal. So that's what I'm looking for. So also I'll stop by to Home Depot and bought some equipment. Bought a helmet from Lincoln, a wire brush, of course, welding glove, it's a must, and pick up some magnet is to keep all the metal in place while you're welding. So let's go ahead and weld some metal. It looks like it's going to rain, so I don't know, we'll see. And so I'm not the best, I'm not an expert as well, and I'm learning. And so if any expert out there want to give me some advice or some tip how to weld, feel free to drop me a comment. And you guys can roast me all you guys want. I don't mind, because I'm learning. So with this welder, I'm gonna run a gas tank, 75% argon and 25% of CO2. And so yeah, that way I can able to weld stainless. If you want to weld aluminum, then you're gonna need at least 100% argon, and spool gun needs to be replaced. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead. Whoa, there's a lightning out there, so I better hurry up.
3 hours later.
Testing number 1. Okay, I got some metal that I cut, and I'm gonna mess around with it. I'm gonna do a T weld. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tack it. finished product. Looks pretty nasty. I don't know how well it's to penetrate, but yeah, this is my first round, so I'm gonna complete the other side and we're gonna do some comparison. This is the second pass. First pass. So the first pass I was running about 10 psi on the gas, and the speed is 5. And the second pass is the speed is 6 and the gas is 15 psi. So does it have a good penetrate? I don't know. Let's find out. I'm going to hit it. See what happens. Oh yeah, it's on it good. Yeah, I mean, more practice makes perfect. It can be done. I think on this side right here, I kind of moved the gun a little bit too much. That's why it makes a big blob right here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Put down on a comment, and I would like to know what's your answer. That way I'll know what to do next time. I'm gonna weld another plate and practice some more. That way I can find my motion of the ocean. So yeah, I'm gonna practice some more. Oh, okay. I like that sound. I don't know if it's maybe my my wheel's too tight. Let me check on that. Okay. Give me another try. Oh yeah, it sounds way better. I think is the wheel was too tight, so every time when I weld and it feeds, the wheel gets kind of, it's too much tension, put it that way. So I loosen up a little bit, seemed like a little bit better, sounds a little bit better. Okay, I'm gonna do a full send to speed level 6. Okay. Keep practicing. Not bad. I mean, now you know, keep everything all level. It's almost consistent. But yeah, keep practicing. I got a long way to go. Okay, I'm gonna do another weld another plate. This is my last one. This one, the middle one, I kind of went off and I kind of lost my balance. All right, let's go ahead and finish the last one. I don't know what happened there. I think I'm just rushing it. I'm not taking my time. I wish I can have more metal plate. Yeah, I mean, just need more practice and it can be done. That's it, guys. I wish I have some more metal plate. That way I can practice some more, but I'm out. But you know what? I enjoyed every single second of it. And it is super fun, I tell you. For those who that have this machine here, you guys know what I'm talking about. And for those who that haven't, and if you guys want to get into the welding industry, Eastwood Mag 135 is perfect. Beginner like me, I recommend it. And so the second plate that I was welding, I felt really good on it. You know, all the motion of the ocean here, everything was good. As far as penetration, I don't know. So for all those experts out there, please leave a comment and let me know what I did wrong and good, or you know. And so feel free to, and that will help me a lot. So you know what, I'm gonna end this video here, and if you guys like this video here, like, subscribe and share, and that will help me a lot. All right, as far for the next episode, maybe welding my exhaust. Woohoo. So I see you guys next time. Peace.